you to Idara Garden here in Ibadan. Investing in Idara Garden is like tapping into a dynamic market with a growing population and a demand for quality real estate. Idara Garden boasts of a strategic location and a good connected transport infrastructure with a proximity to major economic hubs. Available square meters are 250 square meters selling for 600,000, 500 square meters selling for 800,000, 1,000 square meters selling for 1.5 million, and 3,000 square meters selling for 3.8 million. With an initial deposit of 100,000 and 500,000 respectively, you can key into this. Idara Garden, an eco city